Hey, what's going on, good people? Listen to this. Holiness isn't just about appearance, it's about having a heart that reflects God even when nobody is watching. In a world full of darkness, choose to shine love, kindness, purity, and grace. There is beauty in walking with God, even when the journey isn't easy. You don't have to fit in the world to be valuable. God sets us apart for a reason. Let your life be a reflection of His peace, His mercy, and His light. When you walk in holiness, you carry a beauty the world can never take away. In the words of Psalms 29, verse 2, worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness. So let your holiness be a reverence to God so that He be a light in you. And y'all follow me for more daily encouragement. And y'all have a blessed one.